Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Excellence in Health 2021 by Delhi Gynecologist Forum is awarded to Dr. Anjula Aneja, President DGF South. Dr. Anjula Aneja is the President of Delhi Gyne Forum South, and from the very start of her tenure, she has set a benchmark for academic standards in DGF South. Every academic meeting is a great learning session for all the gynecologists and are well attended with participation from all across government and private sectors. It is because of this that her team and she have registered 65 new Delhi Gynecologist Forum members. Dr. Angela Aneja is presently Director and Head of Minimal Access Surgery at Fortis Memorial Institute, Gurgaon, and Director Obs and Gynae at Fortis La Femme. Dr. Angela Aneja, after her postgrad in Obs and Gynae, has been awarded MRCOG UK and FRCOG. She has been awarded Diploma in Pelvic Endoscopy and is a certified robotic surgeon. She is a convener of OBS Critical Care Course, which is a joint collaboration of DGF and VMMC and Safdarjung Hospital, and is a great skill building initiative among gynecologists in critical obstetric care with an aim to reduce maternal mortality. She is also a chairperson of AOGD Endometriosis Subcommittee and treasurer RCOG North Zone 2021. She was ex-co-chairperson of AOGD Endoscopic Society, past member and fellow representative of AICC RCOG North Zone India, and past secretary of Delhi Gynae Endoscopic Society. Dr. Angela Aneja has keen interest in robotic gynae surgery, advanced laparoscopy and hysteroscopy, high-risk obstetrics, reproductive endocrinology, menopause, and related issues of women's health. We wish her success and good fortune in her future endeavors.
Thank you so much for this honor. I will like to say it's important to know more about DGF. And it's just a tip of iceberg which we are seeing. There's a broad base. Whether you talk about anemia, thalassemia, or about any other disease, all are being under Delhi Gynae Forum member. And I think the cervical cancer is one जिसके पीछे तो Delhi Gynae Forum हाथ तोड़ के पीछे पड़ गई है. कहीं और से जाए ना जाए, it will definitely eradicate from India. I think that's the biggest achievement as a woman. We should do it. Thank you so much for trusting me. And I still remember the day Madam announced my name in the group, and I was so scared, you know. और मैम उसी दिन मुझे शाम को मिली, कहते तू तो फंस गई. मैंने कहा मैं अब तो, you know, but now I can't say anything. But thank you so much. I think in this tenure of 1.5 years, definitely I have learned a lot. And now, you know, there are few people who need to be pushed. And I think maybe I'm the one of them who needs to be pushed to do a good work for the society. Thank you so much. And it's my honor to be amongst all the people who are standing there, that I'm also standing here, and you're all my role models. Thank you so much for encouraging me always. Thank you.